Genesis chapter 48. As Jacob grew old and sick, Joseph was told, "Your father is ill." So Joseph brought his two sons, Manasseh and Ephraim, to see him. When Jacob heard that Joseph was coming, he gathered his strength and sat up in bed. Jacob told Joseph how God Almighty had appeared to him long ago in Luz, Bethel, and promised to make his descendants into a great nation and give them the land of Canaan. Then Jacob did something special. He said that Joseph's two sons born in Egypt would now be counted as his own, just like Reuben and Simeon. In this way, Ephraim and Manasseh would share fully in the inheritance of Israel. When Jacob saw the boys, though his eyesight was failing, he asked, "Who are these?" Joseph said, "They are the sons God has given me here." Jacob replied, "Bring them to me so I may bless them." Joseph placed Manasseh the older at Jacob's right hand and Ephraim the younger at Jacob's left. But Jacob crossed his arms, laying his right hand on Ephraim's head and his left hand on Manasseh's head. He prayed for them, blessing Joseph and calling on the God of his fathers, Abraham and Isaac, the God who had been his shepherd all his life. Joseph noticed his father's hands were crossed and tried to correct them, saying, "No, Father, this one is the firstborn. Put your right hand on Manasseh's head." But Jacob refused. He said, "I know, my son, I know. Manasseh will also become a people, and he too will be great. But his younger brother Ephraim will be greater, and his descendants will become a multitude of nations." So Jacob gave a special blessing that day, saying, "By you Israel will bless," saying, "May God make you like Ephraim and Manasseh." In this way, Jacob placed Ephraim ahead of Manasseh. Finally, Jacob told Joseph, "I am about to die, but God will be with you and bring you back to the land of your fathers. To you I give one portion more than your brothers, the land I took from the Amorites with my sword and bow." God's blessing do not always follow human order or expectations. Just as Jacob himself, the younger, was chosen over Esau, so Ephraim was chosen over Manasseh. God's plans are higher than ours, and his blessings always fulfill his promises.